Very good morning, children. Today I am going to teach the first lesson, The House with the Golden Windows. What is the lesson name? The House with the Golden Windows. My dear children, you can see here an image on the screen. The windows are shining like the golden window because of the sunset. Sun rays are falling on the glass. That's why you can see the brightness of the windows. Dear students, let us do the warm up exercise. And let us start the lesson with the warm up exercise. You can see here different kinds of windows with different designs, colors, and different models. Do you like it, children? Yes, we all like it very much. And you can see here the picture of Hawa Mahal. It is situated in the city of Jaipur. It was built in 1799. It has 953 windows. It is like honeycomb shape and beautifully carved window allow breeze to blow through the palace. It is beautiful. Isn't it, children? Yes. So before we begin our class, our lesson, let us look into the characters. What are the characters involved in this lesson? So the characters are Stevie, a little boy, Stevie's father and mother, they are working in the farm. Mrs. Campbell, a friend of Stevie's mother, Paula, the daughter of Mrs. Campbell. And we can see the setting. The setting takes place in Scotland in a village. Here you can see the picture of Scotland. Scotland is part of the United Kingdom. You can see the Scotland here. It is in yellow color. So let's begin the lesson. So the story is about a boy who set off to look for golden windows. So I'll be reading and explaining the lesson. You have to listen carefully. Long, long ago, in a village in Scotland, a little boy named Stevie lived on a farm. Every day after school and during the weekends, Stevie helped his father in the field and took care of the farm animals. But at the end of each day, when the work was done and the sun began to go down, there came an hour which was all his own. So, in this first paragraph, we see the little boy Stevie lived in Scotland. His father and mother were working in the farm. Farm means an area of land together with a house, and land is used for growing crops and keeping animals for business purpose. So, many of the students maybe you are having such kind of farms in your places. So after school over, Stevie used to help his parents in the field. He used to take care of the farm animals in the like sheep and cows. Finally, at the end of the work, he used to go to the top of the hill. When the sun began to go down. So it was the time he spends for watching the golden windows every day. So, second paragraph, we'll see. When this time came, Stevie would often stroll to the top of a hill near his house and look across at another hill a long way away. There, on this far off hill, stood a house with windows shining like gold. As the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching. So, stroll means walk in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. So, in the second paragraph, we see that at sunset, Stevie, the little boy, used to go to the top of the hill near his home and looking at the other hill At long distance, he found a house with windows shining like a gold. Until the sun has gone down, he used to observe it. These are the windows shone so brightly that they made Stevie blink. When he looked at them after a while, someone would close the shutters, and he knew it was time to go home for supper. So, after the sunset, it seemed to him as if someone always closed the shutters just at sunset and covered the beautiful windows from his sight. So then the little boy went to his home to have his supper, wishing all the time that he could live in a house with a golden windows. One Saturday, Stevie's father told him, "You have earned a holiday. Take a day off today and try to learn something good." Stevie was delighted. He thanked his father and then started off for his house for the golden windows. So one Saturday, Stevie's father called and said, "You have earned a holiday. You have got one chance. Take this day for your own and try to learn some good things." The little boy felt happy. Then he started his journey to find uh, the golden windows. So after trudging for a long time, Stevie came to Big Hill. At the top was the house he had been searching for. Stevie hurried to it, but to his disappointment, it did not have golden windows. They were made of clear glass like any normal ones. So after a long journey, Stevie reached the another top of the hill that he was searching for. He was hurried. Hurried means rushed to see the house of the golden windows, but he was very much disappointed. There were no shutters and the windows were of clear glass like any others. He was very sad. He was disappointed. So a woman came to the door. To Stevie's surprise, it was Mrs. Campbell, a friend of his mother's. "Hello, Stevie," she exclaimed. "How nice to see you here. Did your mother send you for something?" she asked Stevie very kindly. "Hello, Mrs. Campbell. I came for something else. At the end of every day, I see your golden windows from the top of a hill near our farm." Stevie explained, "And now I have come here to see them, but I find that they are only glass." So, as Stevie was standing and observing, a woman came out of the house and, surprised to see him, it was Mrs. Campbell, a friend of Stevie's mother. She felt so happy after seeing him such a long time. "How nice to see you," she asked him. "Did your mother send you?" Stevie replied, "No, Mrs. Campbell, I came here for other purpose. Every day I used to see your golden windows from the top of the hill in our farm, and now I realize that it wasn't. They were just glass blazing like golden windows." Mrs. Campbell moved her head from side to side and laughed. "We are poor farming people," she said, "and I don't think there will ever be any gold on our windows. Anyway, glass is better than gold to see through." So Mrs. Campbell replied to him that we were very poor. We did not have any gold on our windows. She was just smiled. Whatever the boy was talking to her, she was just moving her head and listening and just had a little smile on her face. She asked Stevie to sit down and rest. She brought him a cup of milk and some cake. She then called little girl Paula, a child of his own age, to sit with him. Mrs. Campbell went back to her work, leaving the two children together to talk and play. Then she told him to sit down and take rest for some time because he had a long journey. She brought milk and some cakes. She called her daughter Paula to sit with him. Then she had to go to the farm for work. Stevie and Paula wandered around her family's farm. Paula showed him her black calf, Princess, that had a white star on its forehead. They crept up to the roof to see her cat and her kittens. Soon they became good friends, and Stevie asked her about the golden windows. Paula said that she knew all about them. So Stevie and Paula moved around the house, and Paula showed a black calf which had a star on her forehead, and they moved up to the roof and saw the cat and her kittens. And they moved around the farm. They have been observing the nature, and now they became both good friends now. Then Stevie told about the golden windows and what is the purpose that he had come here. So Paula said, I knew all about them. She said, I also know that. You have taken the wrong way, she laughed. Come with me to the top of the hill behind our house, and I will show you the house you are looking for. As they walked, she told him that the golden windows could only be seen as the sun goes down. Yes, I know that, said Stevie. They waited, and just as the sun was starting to go down, Paula turned and pointed. There it is, she said, and one day, just like you, I am going to go and look for the house. There on a hill far away stood a house with windows of gold. Looking at it, Stevie saw that the house was his own. Why, its windows were blazing like golden flames. Suddenly, Stevie realized that what had happened. The golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. And Paula understood what was the purpose that he had come here. And she was laughed. She said that you have mistaken, you have come to the wrong path. So Paula laughed and said that, come with me, I will show you the house you were searching for. They moved to the top of the hill and waited for the sunset. She said that the golden windows can be seen only when the sun goes down. She pointed out that there it is. Look at on the hill far away stood a house with windows of gold. It's your own house. Stevie realized that the golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows glitter like gold. Paula also had the same desire like Stevie. One day she also wanted to go and search for the windows, the house of the golden windows. Thanks, Paula, and goodbye, said Stevie. I need to go home before it gets too dark. Paula stood in the sunset, gazing and waving at him as he walked down the hill. The sun had sunk below the horizon by the time Stevie returned home, but the lamplight shone through the windows almost as bright as the golden windows he had seen. When he opened the door, his mother came over to hug him. His father, who sat by the fire, looked up and smiled. Did you have a good day? Asked his father. Yes, said Stevie, a very good day. Did you learn anything? Asked his father. Yes, said Stevie. I have learned that our house too has windows of gold. So finally, Stevie realized the mystery behind the golden windows. He thanked Paula for her company and said goodbye as he wanted to reach his home before it gets dark. So the little girl just stood in the sunset light and watching at him. So, my dear children, as it was dark, Stevie hurried to his home. We can see the sun disappeared by the time Stevie returned home, but the lamplight shone through the windows, making them almost as bright as he had seen them from the far off hill top. Stevie's father opened the door and immediately his mother hugged and kissed him because he returned back. So his father just smiled at him. So his father asked him, "Have you had a good day?" Stevie replied, "Oh, yes, father, I had a good day. Have you learned anything?" "Yes, father, I have learned that the house we live in has windows of gold." So, my dear students, hope this video session helped you to understand the lesson better. Thank you.